Original, girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular, regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
So no, I don't want to no pressure me. Don't pressure the doll, okay?
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, big up yourself.
So big up is a term used by Jamaicans when we want to say that, you know, we respect you kind of vibe, or we want you to feel good about yourself. Big up yourself, you know what I mean? So when I say big up to you, that means I'm sending a respect. It's a big up, you know. You're bigger than life, you're larger than life. You the man.
For it, and today we're doing something a little bit more traditional and flavorful. So if you know me, you know I always be cooking salmon this, salmon that, salmon, blah blah blah. Well, for today we're doing something a bit more of me, steamed fish with dumplings, bananas and pumpkins. So you know say that I go slap. I mean, like, my food always slap anyway, but this is going to actually slap differently. So before we jump into the kitchen, let me name my top 5 favorite Jamaican dishes. First on the list is curry goat with fried chicken and rice and peas and fresh vegetables, okay? Right as so. In number 2 spot, I love stewed fish with green plantains. Guys, if you don't try that, you need to try it now. You see how excited I get? You see my smile? Food is my love language, I think. Okay?
Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring you food? Are you hungry? And I know they say that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, but I'm convinced that the same is true for women too. Food is a love language.
Coming in at number 3 spot is jerk chicken off the grill. Fresh jerk chicken off the grill with some bread or festival. My grandma jerks the best chicken, okay? I'm not even ask. I'm not argue. You understand? Start mackerel with dumpling and banana. And you got last ackee and saltfish with fried dumplings. Let's jump into the kitchen and see what my blessed hand can do. I never saw me a chef, so I don't want nobody in the comments accuse me. So here we have our flour and cornmeal, or fish, or pumpkin, or green bananas, scallion and thyme, and onion, and also a lemon. So I'm currently in the kitchen. I'm gonna put some gloves on because it's needed. When you cook food like this, you need gloves, okay? I am also going to season my fish. I'm gonna season my, I already cut like 2 slices in there. I'm guessing it's to get the seasoning in. If you grew up in the Caribbean, you already know that when you slice it in there, the season goes like everywhere and it's more flavorful. So that's the reason for the 2 slices. Guys, so this is kind of hard, but we're needing flour. It's a bit messy, so obviously that's why I put on a gloves at the beginning. You literally just add water to it and try stir it up until it becomes sticky. It's going to form a dough. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm literally just adding water until it's sticky enough to come together, okay?
Original, girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come here with the commas.
So guys, we're going to knead the flour into a little donut with a little kind of thingy in the middle, similar to this. I'm not the perfect one, but yeah, that's how you do it. I then added them to my boiling water and let them boil.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. Let me know.
Pressure made diamonds icy. Maneuvering through the trenches so swiftly. Got a bulletproof chest, solitary. Covered up in chins.
Guys, it's time to peel our bananas. Normally I put oil in the water so the stain doesn't go on my fingers, but I'm using gloves anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. Let me know.
You could add these essential to your oil to give it flavor, also with a pepper, but I didn't have any at the time, but yeah. So these are my fish, all seasoned and ready to go into the pot, and you have to just drop it and run, just like that, all the time. But yeah, now I'm gonna fry them crispy. We'll try to at least. They're bigger than the pot, but it is what it is.
Got it, honest, did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had it, I should go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling my baby up. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that. It's more than that, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. You for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur.
2 hours later, we are here to do a taste test. I'm sweating. My hair is all fizzed up because you're in the kitchen and you can't take the heat, basically. But yeah, guys, I'm going to try now. The only thing that I could say that I would do different was I tried straining the, you know, the cup noodles that you put on fish sometimes. I tried straining it, but some of the noodles fell in. Well, it is what it is.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? That is my husband. Oh my days, guys. This is so nice. What the hell?
Fabulous.
What?
Fabulous.
Protein.
Guys, this was so nice. Even my mom said it was nice as well. I really enjoyed it. Stay tuned for another cooking vlog. I don't know when, so I ain't promising, but it's beautiful. Bye.